Hey everybody, it's Big Kev here to give you some more tips on how you can make money online. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can make money giving away free websites. Now, it's an easy thing to do, so once you get your head around the concept, you can make some serious bucks. Before you get into it, don't forget to check out my website at howtomakemoneyonlinefast.net. And here you can find great content with great details on money making ideas. Now, every 3 minutes, someone is inspired to make a new website on whatever niche, whatever topic that has inspired them to do so. It could be to make money or it could be just to give information. Now, they have these ideas and then they go to the internet to find out how to do it. Now, some people will use YouTube and user tutorials to make these sites. Others will hire someone to do it. Now, we're going to be putting ourselves in the middle of that and we're saying, look, you don't need to build your website. We'll do that for you. And all they need to do is sign up to one thing at minimum for you to start making money with this hustle. Now this is an easy side hustle to do because there's so much information on how you can actually learn how to make websites out there. You can buy a course on Udemy or Skillshare, or you can just go to YouTube and there's bound to be someone showing you how to make a nice easy website. And all you need to do, you don't need it to be very complex. All you need it to do is be functional. So what we're going to do, we're going to offer a homepage, an about us page, a blog, and something else of your choosing. Just give them 4 pages because you don't want to do too much work for this gig. Now, there's 2 levels that you can go to. There's a free WordPress level and there's a premium theme level. Now, with WordPress, it's very easy to access free themes. Now, these themes, as you can see as I scroll down here, are plentiful, but they're also very limited. So if the theme doesn't do exactly what you want, it's going to be a little bit difficult to not spend a lot of time on it, or you might just have to buy a premium theme. Now, a premium theme like Divi from Elegant Themes gives you access to 88 premium themes that's been developed for various niches and various markets. So these sites look very professional, they look very beautiful as well, and they have very good customization. So if you were to give these away for free, people would be very happy with the outcome on the end product. Now if we look at the price of Divi, it's £89 a year or $249 for a lifetime. Now the beautiful thing about this is that you have unlimited licenses, so you can create a website for as many people and you don't have to pay anything on top for any new sites that a person may want. So it is very good this way. When you're doing premium sites, you need to make sure that the licenses allow you to use the actual theme more than once. If not, every time that you create a site, it's going to cost you out your pocket, and we do not want that. Another place where you can find premium themes is themeforest.net, and that's part of the Envato market. Now, these themes are made by various individuals and companies, and usually there's going to be a fee. In some cases, as you can see right here, the Avada theme is $60, etc., etc. So if we were to go down this page, you'll kind of be able to look for a theme that fits what you're looking for. Usually these are 1-person themes, so you can't use them multiple times. So you need to factor that in if you want to make this a business. The flip side of that is that if you were to try to make this a business, you could add a step where you send your client here to pick what they want, and if you have an affiliate link, you would be able to make some money off that. So that would also add you some money to your back end. The problem is with this is that if you are not familiar with WordPress, it may become a problem if the theme is a little bit difficult. So you want to work with something that you know very well. So let's look at how we can make money with this side hustle. Now, this is a link-based hustle. So if our clients don't buy through our links, we don't make any money. So the best way is to make sure that they buy, in this case, the hosting first. So if they don't buy the hosting through us, we can't build this site for them. Also, we can then get money on the domain as well. So in this case, if they get the domain and they don't have one already, we can make between $1 and $3. Likewise, if they get the hosting for us, which we really, really want, we can make between 50 and 300. Now, that for a couple hours work is a beautiful thing. Also, if they don't have a logo, we can get them to sign up to Fiverr if they've never used it before. And if they're a first-time user, we can get between $100 to $150. Now, your client's not going to be spending that much. They're going to be spending between $5 and $20 to get a logo. But for us, we're getting that kind of money for just them signing up being a new customer, which makes perfect sense. Now let's have a quick look at some numbers. Now, one of the companies that we can choose to work with is called Namecheap. They do domain names and hosting packages. Also, as you can see from here, you get various commissions up to about 35%. Now, if your client chooses to do all their hosting and domain hosting here, the web hosting here, they will be able to, you'll be able to make money in one place. Now, usually we'll try to split it so we can get more money from various hosting packages. So we'll do the name here and the hosting elsewhere. Now, looking at some of these hosting sites right here, WP Engine, they do 200 plus per commission. These sites here like Cloudway all the way down to the bottom, HostGator, up to Bluehost, and there are more. You got GoDaddy and all those. As you can see, there's a spread between 50 to 200. Now, these sites, what they do is the more people that you bring to them, the higher payouts you get per person. So it will start at 50 if you're very low, but once you get a few people coming and a few clients buying, it will raise up the ranks and you will be paid more money. Finally, with Fiverr, as you can see, you can get paid up to $150 per first time buyer. And this is worldwide, so it doesn't matter where your traffic is coming from. Now, as you can see, it says it right here that first time buyers will get you commission paid. So as long as they're new to Fiverr, you will get paid that £100 to £150 per client. Now, at this point, after we create the website, we can leave and we can show them how to use the website, and then we can leave. We don't need to continue with anything. These next 2 points is where you can turn it into a monthly business where, you know, you're charging them a monthly subscription. So for things like cleaning up the website, making sure that it's up to date, because some people are just not tech savvy and it scares them to do anything. Some people don't realize how actually easy it is to run a website. So we can do that monthly subscription, and that could be anything you want it to be. So that could be $30, $50, whatever you want it to be. As another side hustle, you can also offer article creation services, which means you could get your client to send you whatever articles they need creating, and you will send this on to someone else to create. They send it back to you, and you put your percentage on top, and it's that easy. Using a site like hirewriters.com, you can get a new article of 1,000 words at a skilled level for $10, nearly $11 right here. At 2,000 words, you could get it for 14. Expert levels would be $25 and $32 respectively. At iWriter, for a premium writer to write 1,000 words would be $11.50 and $21 for 1,500 words. Now this hustle is a great hustle because it allows you to make money without actually having to do anything. You just become a go-between between you and your client. So it's up to you whether you want to offer it, and depending on how much they're willing to offer you, because they don't know about these services 9 times out of 10. So you can make that dough without them being any wiser to you actually hiring it out to someone else. So you might be asking yourself, Big Kev, how do you actually find clients for this hustle? Well, you can find clients anywhere. You can find them online or you can find them offline. Offline, you can find them via going down your high street or down to your local businesses and seeing who actually wants a site. And then you can take it from there. Or if you're online, you could go into Facebook groups, and you can go to entrepreneurial groups or mum blog groups and look for people who are interested in getting a site for free. You know, we know what the hustle is, and we know what the dividends are going to be at the back end of it. Try to stay away from the make money online kind of groups, because these groups are going to be based on how you can make money quickly and easily without actually having to spend money. Entrepreneurs are going to want to spend money to actually get a business off the ground, so you want to be kind of looking more in that space. Also, you can look at Twitter, because people talk with their emotions on there, and they say how they feel at that particular time. So they might ask, how can I find a person to build a website on their Twitter feed? So you've got Twitter, you've got Facebook, you've also got Instagram. You can target those Instagram influencers and offer them a website. And that's basically it for this video. Now this is a serious hustle. If you put some effort into it, you can make some serious money. Now, this is Big Kev signing off. Like, comment and subscribe. I've put the links below for the various things that we've talked about today. And also some might be affiliates, so I might get a little bit commission for these links. Like, comment and subscribe. And also check out my website at howtomakemoneyonlinefast.net. And on to the next video. Peace.